Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to talk about how can you go live on Discord. So welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you the step-by-step guide, so make sure to watch this video right till the end. So in order to go live on Discord, you you actually have to open the Discord app onto your device and navigate to your server or direct message. So you could go to the server that you own, and then you just want to go ahead and join a voice channel. Right at the bottom you have a voice channel. You click on it and then click on the join voices at the bottom. Once connected to the call, you could swipe up from the bottom of the screen to reveal the voice video call panel. Then you could go ahead and tap on share your screen icon, a smartphone that will allow you to post out of it. And then a system dialog will appear asking you to confirm, to tap on start broadcast or the equivalent prompt on Android to begin the screen sharing. So this is an alternative to go live on Discord. That's how you will be able to go live on Discord. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.